settings aren't really built with a specific age in mind. They're the same for everyone until you actually go in and adjust them. If you're setting up an account for a younger family member or just want tighter control over your own, this video walks through every real safety setting Roblox offers, step by step. The problem: default settings aren't built for kids. By default, chat is open, content filtering is fairly broad, and spending isn't restricted beyond whatever's in the linked payment method. For a lot of families, that's more openness than they actually want, especially for younger kids. The good news is Roblox has a genuinely detailed setting system for this. Most people just never go looking for it. Step 1: set up parental PIN. Start in account settings under parental controls and set up a parental PIN. Once this is active, any changes to privacy settings, account settings, or restrictions require entering this PIN, meaning a kid can't quietly loosen the settings you're about to set up without the parent's involvement. Step 2: content maturity restrictions. Next, under content settings, adjust the maturity level for experiences shown to the account. Roblox categorizes experiences by content level, and narrowing this restricts which games and experiences show up in search and recommendations at all, not just adding a warning label. Step 3: chat and communication settings. Under privacy settings, you can restrict who's allowed to message or chat with the account. Options typically range from everyone to friends only to no one. For younger accounts, restricting chat to friends only or disabling it entirely removes a huge portion of the social engineering and scam risk we covered in earlier videos, since strangers simply can't reach the account directly. Step 4: spending limits and purchase controls. Under billing settings, review what payment methods are linked and consider using Roblox gift cards instead of a direct linked card for younger accounts, so spending has a hard limit built in. Some regions also offer purchase confirmation requirements, which add a check before any Robux purchase goes through. Step 5: linking a parent account for oversight. Finally, Roblox offers an account linking feature that lets a parent account oversee activity, adjust settings remotely, and receive notifications about the child's account. Setting this up gives ongoing visibility without needing to check the account manually every time. So to recap, parental PIN first, then content maturity restrictions, chat controls, spending limits, and parent account linking. Together, these settings turn a completely open account into one that's actually built around who's using it. If you want help setting any of this up, come into the OBX Discord. Links below.